I'm very proud to be a Trinity Business School graduate. I'm excited to bring all what I've learned into my future career, and not only professional but also personal, because it has given me so much and I would do it all over again if I could. I'm Lavinia. I'm from Italy and I did my master's in human resource management here at Trinity Business School. One of the things that attracted me to this program and this school was the diversity and inclusion that this school presented and this program presented, and I got to see it obviously face to face, the culture, how important it is to have culture diversity into classes. You just have an open mind about, okay, like there's not just my perspective from where I come from, but there's also this perspective and there's this idea and this approach to a certain topic. And I think that's what makes this program, for me, in my opinion, one of the best programs. I really liked how it wasn't just academic, just classes. No, it was a lot more. Really getting the person ready for the real world, for the career in HR, projects and group assignments and presentations. You do have to have interpersonal skills because that's a big part of talking to the other people in your organizations and knowing how to approach them. That was another part that was really important to me. And then, of course, Dublin. It's an amazing city. I've always wanted to go here. I've actually never visited before coming here, so it was my first time when I came here for the program and I fell in love with it. Trinity does an excellent job at making sure that students have an enormous network of connections that could be from alumni, from professionals here in companies that we visited. That was one of the aspects that really pushed me even more. I didn't know what I wanted to be when I came in here as an HR professional. We had many different classes. Each of them really delved deep into different HR issues that we currently deal with. Trinity really gave me the opportunity to explore different areas. This program totally confirmed my future career as an HR professional. With such a good experience, I know that that's what I want to do for the rest of my life.